Problem 2-79. We're wanting to plot these points on some graph paper. So I grabbed some graph paper and I drew up a little bit of a graph. And then you want to draw a line between those points and find some more coordinates that lie on the same line. So let's start by plotting the points. Hopefully you can see that this is 5, 10, 15, one for each square. So plot 0, 0. So that's going to be where both these lines are just at 0, which is going to be at the very beginning of the graph. So I'll put a big little circle thing there. So that will be the first point. Next point is going to be at 3, 2. So the first number is going to be in the x. So that's going to be how far along the horizontal it is. And the second number is how high up it is. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So this point right here is going to be 3, 2. The next one is 6, 4. So again, we can go across 5, 6, and then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. So these are the 3 points graphed. And then you want to draw a straight line across them. So it could be a good idea to get a ruler to make it straight. I don't actually have one on me right now, so I'm just going to try to draw it as straight as possible, but it would be a good idea to get a ruler. And then with that, you can keep the line going. And if there's a ruler, it'd be a little easier to do that. And it also technically goes the other way as well. So now what we want to do is find a few more points on the same line. So if you notice, you can have a look at how far along it goes to how far up it goes. And it's going to stay constant because it's a straight line. So it goes across 3 and up 2, across 3 and up 2. So the next point you could find the line would be across 3 to 9 and up 2 to 6. So a point on the line would be 9, 6. And in fact, it's actually proportional, the relationship between the two, because it passes through 0. So every time you multiply across how far you go, so this is at 3, 2, so you multiply 3 by 2 to double it, it goes to 6, and then you double the 2 as well, and it's going to go to 4. So you multiply 3 by 3, you get to 9. Multiply 2 by 3, you're going to get to 6. So then the next one, if we're going to multiply 3, 2 by 4, 3 multiplied by 4 is going to be 12. And 2 multiplied by 4 is going to be 8. So we should see that this point also lies in the line. So let's have a look. So we go across 10, 11, 12. And let's go up 8 and see if it's also in the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it looks like that is also on the line. Oh, and then 9, 6 will be right there. So there's a couple more points we could choose. You could go in the negative direction if you wanted to try working out what that would look like. But there's also one more. If you go across 3 and up 2 one more time, from 12, 8, you're going to get 15, 10. So that could be one more point on the line.